Sugarloaf.
Isn't it like how to grow pineapples? With
How to grow a pineapple
with Farmer Luke?
with Farmer Luca of the Art Farm.
How to grow what?
Pineapples.
How to what?
How to grow pineapples from...
Hi, I'm Farmer Luke.
Hi, I'm Farmer Luke. Today we're going to grow pineapples. Hello. These are some pineapple slips that we sell here at the Art Farm. And I'm going to show you how we prepare them for planting. This is not a top of a pineapple. This is a side shoot that comes right under the fruit of this variety that we grow. And these grow quicker than pineapple tops. You can always plant a pineapple top, but it takes longer.
That one.
So there's the top, which you can plant, but will take usually at least 2 years, probably 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's a shoot that comes out of the mother plant, and right at the base of the fruit, this variety produces as many as 6 to 10 suckers. And these little guys are what we call slips, and this is what we like to plant because they are quick and abundant. These are young slips, so they don't have much of a formed nubby pineapple. This one has one, and what I like to do is to cut that little part off. And the other thing I like to do is to peel these little leaves off, about 1/2 inch worth, and you're going to expose these little roots. And you can be pretty rough with this. They are amazingly tough. So something like that. And these little bumps are actually little roots that are about to form. See them? So the next step is to wait. You want to wait about 3 days so that these little tears that you created will heal, so that they are going to be protected from the soil. So after 3 days, you can plant these in a pot, or like us, we plant them directly in the field at that point. Now, I'd say you'd go about that deep right there, you know, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches deep, not much deeper than that. And if you go too shallow, they're just gonna fall over. So say 1.5 inches to 2 inches deep. If you're going in a pot, you just want it to be a loose type of soil or growing medium, preferably on the neutral to acidic side. And mulching is recommended. You can use gravel, you can use straw, wood chips, whatever you want. But the mulch does 2 things. It holds in the moisture and it reduces your need for weeding. And
How do you water?
for watering, I'd say water once or twice a week. The nice thing about pineapples is they don't need that much water.
When do I get my pineapple?
If your pineapple is happy with what you have done, it will produce fruit for you possibly in 12 months to 18 months.
Pineapples! Oh yeah!
Sure.
Just bought these pineapple slips. How do I prepare them for planting?
Hello, viewer. This right here is a mini pineapple trying to form right here. So what I would do is I would cut that right off, just right there. And let me go ahead and just get myself a pair of clippers.
Cut!
Oh.
5, 6, 7, 8. Doobie 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 doobie. Pineapples! Oh yeah!
We're within the 6 feet zone. Oh, I should be wearing a mask. Thank you very much.
Oh man, that was great. Oh, I'm so glad that was on video.